Been so long since I rode without my welding skid, man. Makes my truck feel naked, man. you know, this is just my old work truck, man. But I can tell you something, man. With everything I have ever had in my life, I have always had to create it and turn it into what I wanted it, and try to figure out ways to cut costs. And sometimes just wasn't cutting costs. It was just, hey, I want this. And I done been on both sides of the spectrum. But when it comes to having a tool, man, I don't care if it's a Chevy, Dodge, or Ford. Everybody creates something reliable. You just pick your brand because it's all about branding. You pick your brand and you go with it. Me personally, once I buy it, it's mine. So to me, it's a Chevy, but this is the Hog On Mobile. I don't have no Chevy signs on this thing. Ain't number one bow tie on my truck. And that was the one on the front of the grill, which once I change it out, it won't have it on there. That's the only bow tie you see. Other than that, I took all that stuff off. And this is the Z71 four-wheel drive edition. And most people say, man, why you didn't leave the Z71? Why you didn't promote this? Why you let everybody know what it is? I ain't with all that. You know, it's a work truck. It's a go-getter. That's what it is. You know what I mean? I'm not caught up with the image of things, and especially embracing somebody else's brand who I know don't give a fuck about me. Man, I know Chevy don't give a fuck about me. If they did, they'll send me another truck. They don't care. They're making money, man. So once I pay for it, it's mine. I'm taking their names off of it and putting my names on it and started networking so I can get a bag. I think that's how we got to think, man. That's how we really get our hog on. Black Phoenix.